How are you different from your element siblings? Fire sign edition. So, if you're an Aries, or if you want to spot an Aries, they're usually people who are very energetic. They're usually the very popular ones. They'll interact with people very easily. But they're also the ones that usually are portrayed as, the really popular guy who gets into fights and everything just to protect his girl and all. They somehow have a very short temper. You can piss them off very easily. It is not a hard job to do. But they're very warm also, they're very loving, and they're actually very thoughtful, surprisingly. You won't think that looking at them, because they're kind of flirtatious and into the chasing trope. But once they're committed to you as a friend or as a lover or something, they give their all. They're nice people. Then moving on to Leo. I think Leo you can best describe as someone who is like a superstar energy. People who know that they're the shit. They know you know that they're the shit. And they will not expect anything below that. These people just know that they have the aura, and they don't need to speak it out loud. And sometimes, even if they do, they're not ashamed to speak it out loud. They'll be like, hello? But as much as they like adoration, if they find you worthy enough, they will reciprocate the worship and the cherishment. Is that a word? I don't know. They'll cherish you a lot, okay? And they'll show you how special you are. Last but not least, if you're a Sagittarius, Sagittarians are the golden retriever people, guys, okay? And they're the ones who are always hyper. They always have something to talk about. They can get along with anyone, and they're also surprisingly very much okay with just being by themselves. They can keep themselves entertained for a very long time, and if you come in, that does not change the equation at all. Like, you being there, not being there does not really make a difference. And they're very subtle in the ways that they express their fondness for you. They'll remember small things. They'll be non-judgmental. They'll be very judgmental most of the time, but when they know that something is fragile and you're coming to them in a vulnerable moment, they will tone it down to a zero. They will be there for you. And they're all pretty nice people. They have their moments. Sagittarians can forget about themselves sometimes, but keep spilling.